1.6 Python. Sequences, dictionaries, dunder main. Sequences are a familiar name to an ordered set in Python programming, which means that when we access them, the order in which we input the elements will be equal. Python supports 6 distinct sequence types. These are strings, lists, tuples, sequences of bytes, byte arrays, and object ranges. Python sequences types. Python strings. Strings is a set of characters that are written in 1 or 2 quotations. Python has no character type. Therefore, a string is also regarded as a single character within quotes. Consider the below image, for example. Python lists. Python lists are similar to an array, but allow a variegated collection of things to be created within a list. Python lists. A list may include numbers, lists, tuples, dictionaries, objects, etc. Square brackets around commas-separated elements are used to declare lists. Consider the below image, for example. Tuples. Tuples are a Python object sequence too. By separating elements from a comma, a tuple is generated. Optionally, they may be placed within the parentheses, although parentheses should be placed in a tuple. Refer to the above image. Byte sequences in Python. Python's bytes method returns a series of immutable bytes. We cannot adjust them as they are unchanging. Consider the below image, for example. Byte arrays in Python. Byte arrays resemble sequences of bytes. The only distinction is that byte arrays are changeable, whereas sequences of bytes are unchanging. It returns the object bytes in the same manner as well. Refer to the above image. Python dictionary. In Python, a dictionary may be constructed by inserting a sequence of entries in the comma brackets. Dictionary contains a pair of values. One is the key and the other is value. Values can be of every data type inside a dictionary and can be duplicated, but keys cannot and must not be repeated. Consider the below image, for example. Dunder method in Python. The dunder methods of Python contain 2 prefixes and underlying suffix in the name of the method. Dunder signifies here double under. These are usually utilized for overloading the operator. The dunder methods are init, add, len, repr, and more. The init initialization function will be executed without a call when creating a class instance, such as constructors in particular other programming languages like C++, Java, C#, PHP, etc. The init initialization function will be executed without a call. This is why we can add 2 strings without explicit typecasting with the plus operator. Here's a simple implementation. Consider the below image, for example. Thank you.